According to reports, the first batch of French Mirage 2000 fighter jets is set to arrive in Ukraine by 20th January. The initial batch is expected to include 3 to 6 aircraft, which will likely replace Ukraine's aging fleet of Su-24 bombers. An Indian Coast Guard advanced light helicopter crashed during a routine training sortie, killing 3 crew members on board. According to officials, helicopter experienced technical difficulties resulting in the crash. The incident is under investigation by a board of inquiry. The Chinese Xining Joint Logistics Support Center demonstrated its capabilities with new cargo drone during operational training for its personnel. The unmanned aerial vehicle showcased its potential to deliver supplies and humanitarian aid to hard-to-reach areas efficiently and safely. A newly modified Ukrainian tank, assembled using components from destroyed Russian T-90M tanks, has garnered significant attention after photos surfaced across social media platforms. The design highlights the adaptability of Ukrainian forces in creating functional combat vehicles from captured or damaged equipment.